Hey guys, Anthony here with Monday Mods. Just going to take a second to go over the fuel pump relay. It's a hot topic amongst most Evo owners. I'm going to take a second and replace mine, and then we're going to crack my factory one open and see what it looks like inside. I've been having a stutter on acceleration, especially at high RPM. A lot of people say that this could be caused by a bad fuel pump relay, so we're going to put one in and see if it changes anything. Okay, as you can see, some of the relays, this one, and this one, have all been replaced, including this one. This is the fuel pump relay, and I'm going to go ahead and swap it out with an upgraded one. And then when we get back in the house, we're going to take it apart and just see if the contacts are burnt. It's a really common point of failure. It's a good preventive maintenance item. Hopefully it'll take care of my stutter on acceleration. If not, I guess I'll go back to the tuner. Okay guys, so I've disassembled the relay and taken the plastic casing off of it and taken a look at it, trying to see exactly where we could see a failure. I'm going to take this apart just a little bit further here in just a second, see if I can get in here and see this. But there's actually a little spot where you can see the metal's kind of coming up on that relay, and I think the contactor is just not hitting all the way. I did start the car up and give it some gas. I haven't driven it yet, so we'll see here in a little bit if it makes the car run any better. But it does look like that contactor for the relay is probably bad. You see a little piece sticking up right there? It's probably not giving us full connection. Okay, so I've bent the tab back so that way we can see it really well. But yes, both sides of the relay contactors look really bad. Definitely doesn't seem like we're getting very good current flow through there. Hopefully this will take care of some of my issues, and I can't wait to go drive it tonight and let you know. Either way, I'm glad I replaced this. It was a cheap fix. It's a common problem, and this is the original short black relay. I got new ones from maperformance.com. Just something to keep in mind, and you know, any Evo owner should definitely consider replacing them. Okay, so after replacing the relay, I still have the stutter, especially in fourth gear under heavy acceleration. I did notice a little bit of a smoother idle, and also I used to have a bouncing idle during decel, and that has gone away. And also I don't have to rev match quite as much between gear shifts, and also off the line it doesn't seem like I have to give it as much throttle. I did notice my air-fuel ratios look a little bit better, but I still do have the stutter in fourth gear, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and pull the plugs and check gap on those, and perhaps that may be the symptom. May just need to get retuned. I'll keep you guys informed and let you know. All right, thanks for checking out Monday Mods. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe.